Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. I'm Bye Money. We're here live trading in Nascraq every single day. 9:50 a.m. Eastern. Thanks for joining, everyone. If you're just joining, make sure you scalp that like button. Drop a GM in the chat. Also, your location, if you don't mind sharing. I'd love to know where you guys are from. I think it's fascinating. I think it's absolutely fascinating. People all around the world's watching a panda trade the live markets. It's absolutely incredible. What a world we live in. What a time we live in. Good morning, everybody. I hit Big Mama here. I hit Big Mama for 325. We'll call that 1-1 or 1-0. Oh, popping up. I want a higher low here. Looks decent. Higher low would be nice. I'll take that. Daily chart, strong bull bar ending near its high, breaking out of this channel. Weekly chart is what I'm really focused on. It is a second entry long here. Second entry long off the 20 EMA on the weekly chart. Absolutely incredible. It's absolutely incredible. And right now, and this right here is both Friday's high and the weekly high. So once we broke this high, we triggered a second entry long on the weekly chart, pandas. We actually triggered it already. It's a second attempt up. I kind of like it, but I'm gonna wait for a higher low. If I'm eager, I can wait for 2 bull bars. If I'm really eager, I can wait for 2 bull bars. If I'm really eager here, am I that eager though? I'm pretty eager. I'm actually pretty eager here. Ooh, strong bull bar ending on its high. If you're going long, this is as good as any other long you can think of. So wait for my setup higher low. Something interesting happening here, like, you draw a trend line here, it breaks. Draw a trend line here, it's broken. I mean, it's just, the trend line is really holding up here. It's curling basically down. Nice push up here. I'm still waiting for that higher low, pandas. We're right now 1-0. I took Big Mama here just for a couple points. I took a 1-1 on this bar. That was my risk reward. Ooh, another bull bar. Bulls are starting to feel a little pretty confident here, but this bull bar is smaller than this bull bar. I'm gonna sit on my pause a little bit. Good morning, everybody. Happy MLK Day. Absolutely, yes, it is today. But we have a half day of trading. Half day of trading. Markets close at 1 p.m. today, so we are streaming live. Ah, there's a pop-up I was waiting for. I still want a higher low, but we can wait till market opens at this point. Since today is a half day of trading, it could be choppy. President Trump is speaking at 12 p.m. today, and the market will be open at 12 p.m. So we could chop around until then, but who knows? Who stinking knows? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everyone. Imad, good morning. Pablo Escobar. Good morning. Hi, Panda. Hugh, good morning, Panda. Blue Steel, good morning. Loco, MLK, and Papa Trump Day. All right, whatever you want to call it. Pandas. Good morning, everybody. TGIM. Thank God it's Monday. We're back alive, doing what we love most, trading futures with the community we love most, the Pan Fam. The Pan Fam is here. Pan Fam is absolutely here right now. Local, any predictions? I think today gonna rally. Yeah, I think today is gonna rally mainly because the weekly chart, second entry long just triggered, but also inauguration plus. But the thing is, it's also a half day, so technically today's trading and tomorrow's trading is combined. So if you're looking for like a counting your trade days, today and tomorrow's one day. Half days don't count as days; it just gets combined with the next day. If you didn't know that already. So after this strong bull bar ending on its high, I was thinking of buying it just because I didn't know if we're gonna get the higher low, but I also wanted to wait for market open. So we're just chilling, man. Are we gonna even get an entry at all? Should I just buy somewhere? Is that what's gonna be today? Just you have to buy anywhere, everywhere type situation. Jeez, goodness. I'll wait to market open. Yeah. How was everyone's weekend? Put in the chat if you did anything interesting over the weekend. I stayed at home. Watched the playoff games for NFL. If you guys are in the United States, the games were crazy. I'll tell you that. The games were crazy. They were real good. We had really good playoff games. I think it's because a lot of the teams are like pretty equal, and a lot of teams are so focused on just offense. They don't care. It's just pure offense, which makes the games very exciting. I absolutely cannot believe the Commanders are in the NFC championship game. It's been 30, 34 years since that has happened, I believe. 1991. I think the last time it happened, they won the Super Bowl. Could it be higher or low here? Darn it. I wanted the market to open, and this higher low is an outside bar. Wow. So at a certain point, you just gotta jump in, right? You gotta just jump in, plug your nose, and see what happens. At some point, you're gonna have to do it. Sitting on my paw still. I don't like this outside bar. I don't like the fact the market hasn't even opened yet. We're gonna have a huge gap when the market opens. Not huge, but we're gonna have a gap when the market opens. And usually in the weekly chart gaps fill, right? So on the 5 minute, if you guys don't know, I only chart the regular trading hours on the 5 minute. So you get these big gaps here that you don't get with the Globex session. So if you don't know, today is Monday, and that will create a gap on the weekly chart, right? So the weekly chart will have a gap. The gaps fill pretty quickly in the weekly chart. Higher low is about to trigger here. Now that this bar is finished. We're so close to market open. About 2 more minutes. I'm just going to sit on my pause here. Pandas! Hope you guys are doing well. I almost cried when the commander stomped a mud hole in the Lions' arsenal. Whew! It was a crazy game. Honestly, the Lions killed themselves though. Like, I don't know if we are good or if the teams we're playing just happen to play the worst game ever. How many interceptions did we have? Like, all year, how many interceptions did we have? And in the Lions game, how many interceptions? I mean, it's crazy. It's like the NFL's rigged or something. You know what I mean? I'm currently loving all the memes right now about Patrick Mahomes. Patrick Mahomes and the refs. I didn't actually watch the game. I heard the ref calling was very bad. The officiating was very bad, and it's usually favoring the Chiefs. So it's like it's kind of funny. All the memes that are going out. It's like Patrick Mahomes making out with the refs. It's like people like doing like you know, edits. You know, before the ball's even snapped, there's a pass interference call. You know, something like that. Like, it's pretty funny. Hughes says the Commanders are playing with house money, playing as if they have nothing to lose. That's a dangerous team to play. You know who else is playing with house money? Everyone with Apex. That makes us dangerous traders. So Pandas, let's get our Bambaroonies today. Are you ready? Are you ready to get some bamboo? Who cares how you traded last week? It's all about today. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Market's open, Pandas. I have a long order ready just in case we get a trap trade. Flying in midair here. Just in case we get a trap trade. Volatility is very low right now. Okay. The market didn't really trigger any volatility. Not that I can see. Okay. All right. We are ready to go long here. On another long here we'll go. So many bull bars in a row. Like, I'm going to try to go long here. Pandas, make sure to scalp that like button. Drop a like button just trading on MLK Day on a half day. Just to be here with you guys. I'm up 325. I took Big Mama here. You can see all the markers. I mean, tell me what other trader out there keeps all their trade markers on. I don't think there's any. No one out there doing it live like we do here. Ooh, can we get a quick scalp? I would love that. Unless I have to extend this to a 1-to-1. Gonna have to try here, I guess. Maybe getting eager to go long here? I don't know. Coming back to retest probably the previous day's high and also the weekly high. We might get smished here. Might get smished. Gonna get smished. Alright, we got smished. Just trying to go with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bull bars in a row. So I try to go long. Get smished and then pops up. It is what it is. That's the name of today. That's the name of the game for today, Pandas. How unfortunate. How unfortunate right there. It's just how it is. It's just how it is. How unfortunate. Go long, get stopped out, comes right back up. Limit order market, looks like. Now it pops up without me. I've seen this before. I've seen this movie played out before. Let's just hold on. We're 1-1. Everyone calm down. No one freak out. We're 1-1. That's why we're pretty much break even right now. Geo, welcome. Good morning. I remember attending Skinskate at RFK with my father when I was small. Small G, a small G erection. And I have to have a run like this. And to have a run like this is amazing. They have been horrendous my entire... Guess why? Dan Snyder. The moment Dan Snyder sold the team, we actually became just a good team. Like the year, the exact year. Dan Snyder is the one who brought us down to the pits of hell. What in the world? Pandas! What is happening here? We're just chilling. I mean, I could buy with the limit order. May not be a bad idea here. I'm not like super eager to jump in anything, but the fact that I got hit with a limit order here makes me want to jump in the limit order now. Thinking we're in a limit order market. It's unfortunate right there. I don't think I even hit the 1-to-1 yet. Right. We still don't hit the 1-to-1. 1-to-1's way up here, so I mean it's like we'll still be in this trade even if we're in it. And it's not like I was gonna scale in here. I mean it's fine. It's fine. We're 1-1. That means we're pretty much break even. Okay. Pushes down again. Maybe with a higher low, I'll try again. I think I'll try with some sort of limit order here. Higher low. Is it worth the higher low? Is the momentum that strong? It's starting to look like we are hitting some sort of like limit order market right now. So I don't know if I want to jump in now with a higher low type sitch. It just looks like with, you know, 4 overlapping bars in a row, big wicks, big tails. I'm just going to sit on my pause a little bit. The higher low could blast off. That's fine. It just seems like the market cycle right now is a limit order market. Hence, trying to enter with a limit order trade. But I don't know. I could be wrong. 5-minute bar, right? We got 2 bars forming here. 2 candles. Ends up being a decent push. Still not a 1-to-1. Oh, almost a 1-to-1. Okay, we hit the 1-to-1 on that trade, which is just a stinker. You know, it's just unfortunate. Get smashed, and then just blast off where my stop loss was. Could be one of those days you put your trade in where you typically put your stop loss and you win. So that means in this situation, if we do something like this, you gotta put your trade basically down here. Okay, multiple bars in a row. This is just floating. It's just floating up. Okay. I don't know. Should I just jump in? Or just be patient? Let's be patient, Pandas. Let's be a little patient, I guess. Popping up. It could literally be one of those days we just don't break a previous candle's low. Because people just coming with limit orders all the way up. Could be that type of situation. Is it that type of situation is the question. How would you know? How would you know? Nobody knows. Nobody knows, Pandas. Nobody knows. I'm gonna set up my pause. I mean, I want to go long, but it feels like I'm trapped out of this uptrend. Ooh, that's what I wanted. That's actually what I wanted. I could try again to go long here, but I've already tried that here and failed. Do I really want to try again and fail? Not really. And it's, in a sense, this trade is worse than this trade, I think. Or maybe what I could do is go long and scale in. Like I should have done here, I guess. Could be one of those days. You scale in, you make money, no matter what. I'm trying to buy off the 20 EMA, I guess. And that's near the pivot low here. All right, we'll go long and we'll scale in one time. Okay, sitting on my pause. That's an ugly looking signal bar. I don't know if I want to really jump in. Or do I? I mean, the signal bar is so bad. I'd rather wait for like a better entry here. Okay, the 5-minute candles are a little interesting now. This market is moving like molasses, though, I'll tell you that much. It's a half day of trading today, and Trump speaks at 12. So just know that we could chop around until 12, and people are just waiting for Trump to speak. We do close at 1 p.m., so we are within, like, you know, Trump will be speaking while markets open. And market could really just be waiting till then, until we see some true volatility. But who knows? Whoa. Okay. Okay, we're popping up. How much am I willing to risk on a day like today? How much am I really willing to risk on a day like today, pandas? Look at this. I don't even know. What do we do here, though? Okay. Okay. I'm okay breaking even today. I'm fine with that. I'm absolutely a-okay with that. I guess the higher low is my next trade. And maybe we'll swing it. Maybe we'll scale in. Keep buying higher lows. Could be grinding up all day today. The market does look a little bit choppy on the 5-minute chart. Lots of overlap. Another higher low. 4 pushes up here. I'm thinking this market's going to just trickle up like all day today. I could swing trade, which means my stop loss is here. Actually, technically here. And we'll just see how high this goes. I could scale in as well with every high or low. Okay, it's not bad. It's not a bad push. Another higher low, maybe keep scaling in. So now that we made this pivot, this is our new pivot. New stop loss. As we swing trade up. Okay, snaps down. Getting ready for another long if we get another higher low. Seems ridiculous to do this, but here we are, pandas. And we're doing it. It might be one of the situations where just late in trend, I should just scalp out. I'll try one more swing up. It doesn't look like the market's coming back down. That's all I'm saying. Okay, we do get pushed down. Hold it. Hold. Wait for this candle to finish. Whoa. Interesting. Okay, decent push down. Unless the market decides to really push down hard, I think we're okay. I think we're really okay unless the market decides to all of a sudden just push down very hard. And decides to flush. I mean, are we flushing on daylight today? Are we going to flush on a daylight today? Really? I doubt it. Going all first entries right now. We're swing trading. You know, one of those markets when like it just keeps going up, and you're like, man, if I just buy here and just held it all day, I would have made like $2,000. Well, here's your chance, pandas. Do you have the cojones to do it, though, is the question. Oh, we're trickling. This is like a slow trickle. Very slow trickle right now. Given the situations, right? Like we just keep making new pivot highs. Second entry long, maybe. If we make a second pullback here, that would be straying from what's been happening, which is higher lows. Which is not something I really want. Of course, I just want us to keep pushing up all first entries. Second entries might actually show weakness. Well, we shall see. Looks like the second pullback might trigger here. I mean, it's certainly close. I mean, it's certainly close. Maybe a second entry long, which I'll be ready for as well. I'll enter again. Scaling it all the way up. Okay, second pullback actually triggers. 2 legs down now, technically. Technically, 2 legs down. Let's try it again. Safe to say, it's not gonna change. The high's not gonna change from here. 2 pushes down now. Are we gonna flush? If we flush, I'm dead. If we don't flush, we are doing great. Wow, okay, we're in. This is my trade. If it triggers on here, I'm done. That's too much risk at that point, right? Like we're 3 contracts in, trying to make a new high with our core. Yeah, I don't want to stay in here if this trap triggers. Certainly don't want to do that. Yeah, I'm done. I'm dead. Not as strong as I thought. This rally. Not as strong as I thought this rally was. That we're in one of those situations where just like it just never comes back down. It just floats up forever and just kind of you're staring at the market saying, well, okay, I can't get in. I thought it was one of those situations. And I tried. Now that we are touching the 20 EMA. Trap does trigger above the 20 EMA. My stop loss was here originally. I wonder if we're going to touch it. Break this pivot. Second entry long fails. It's third entry long. Maybe I'll try. I don't know. Maybe I'll try. Third entry long.
Tick trap.
Ooh, I'll miss it. I certainly did miss it. Okay, it's coming back down. Do I want it? Do I want it anymore? Sure, I'll try. See what happens. I'm trying to go long on this uptrend. I got smashed. Strong bull bar ending on its high, no follow through. I really want to stick around to find out what happens here. Doesn't quite get there. Curious. What am I, 1 and 2? I'll tell you this though, I'm not gonna get crushed today. Really, if I lose one more after this, I'm done. Doesn't quite hit my target. Okay, we're in. Is this gonna flush? I don't know. It really depends. If the uptrend is done, then yeah. But the uptrend is not done. We are still in a good situation here. Okay. I mean, not such a good trade. I don't know. Should I scale in one time? I don't know. I'd rather just get the paper cut and just move on. Maybe call it a scratch day. If I lose one more, then maybe just call it a day. Because now it's getting very confusing for me. Yeah, strong bull bar ending on its high and then just bear trap, but could be entering into a limit order market. Might be better if I buy here. That might be what I'm supposed to do today. I don't know. Let's take the hit. I don't know what's happening. I could try one time. One scale in. Does that make sense? Or we have like a break-even day today. I don't know. One scale in here? Does it make any sense at all? Oh, wow. I think this is when you say you just get hit. Just move on. No scaling. What? What in the world? Oh, maybe the tides have turned. Maybe we are in a downtrend now. We're beneath the 20 MA. So this could be making lower lows now. Maybe coming back to test the previous week's high. I think I'll just get hit here. I don't know if it's worth scaling. I don't know. I thought it was choppy enough maybe that we could scale in here. But I mean, if it really pushes down, I'm done. I'm out. I thought we were choppy enough where we could scale in here, because thinking it's like a limit order, some sort of limit order market. We might be able to come out break even at least because of the limit order we're in. Who knows? I almost feel like if we break this low, I don't want to stick around and find out, you know? You know what I mean? If we break this low, do I want to stick around and find out? That's the question. Might be two pushes down anyways. Nice to come out break even here. But if we don't, it's all good. It's not the worst. We'll be down like 1,000 today, pretty much, unfortunately. I thought this market warranted a scale in, like at least one scale in. Looks like we can maybe come out break even. Maybe, possibly, hopefully. It looked promising to come out break even. Or should I get greedy, pandas? Should I just get absolutely greedy out of my mind here? touches my break even point. Doesn't actually put me break even. Oof, second push down. I think we're dead. Ouch. Okay, or not. That you know, that's actually crazy. Isn't that crazy, pandas? I mean, couldn't go one more tick for me. Literally to the tick. Now it's gonna take me out, huh? The second push down makes sense. It's all good. I mean, that is close as you can get. No, is that not as close as you can get? On the second push down, I don't know. I don't want to stick around and find out. Let's just let it happen. Just get hit, and we're gonna call it a day probably. We'll call this a day. Half day of trading, anyways. I mean, if I somehow survive with slippage, you gotta love the slippage. Whoo! All right, we're 1-3. One in three. Watch this like just shoot up like a rocket ship now. Just watch it shoot up like a rocket ship. I mean, I don't know. I think that warranted us scaling. It got one tick away from coming out break even. So I mean, what can you say? You know, we were close. It literally missed my break even by one tick. I mean, that is just silly. That is just so silly. So silly. I mean, is today worth trading? You know, it's a half day. Market is just acting unusual. I'm down 1330, which sucks. I hate to be down this low right now on a day like today. But it is what it is. We lost 3 times, and plenty of threshold to play with. I don't know. Should I take a trap trade here? One trap. I don't know. I doubt it. I feel like we're still in an uptrend, but this is so like trickly right now. So trickly. I don't know if I even want to do anything here. Just draining my soul. Absolutely draining my soul right now. We got one more trade in, right? Because 3-point differential. 3 trade differential. Let's try. I guess. Coming back to the previous day's high. Previous week's high. 50, 44. It's close. I have a bad feeling about this. I really have such a bad feeling about this. I just can't. I have such a bad feeling about this. This is not the market to do this, huh? Alright, just smashes right through it. Does it do anything? Can he put me in? We'll try, I guess. Wow, I don't even know what's happening. And we're just trying to get to this key area, which is the previous day's high. Previous week's high. Maybe retest this area here one time. And this last trade. Last stream. Oh, at least, I mean, I can jump on Sim, but honestly, are we going to get much from today is a question. I doubt it. Such a bad feeling about this. It's just not the day, right? It's a limit order market. I should be trading with limit orders, not with stop orders. And we're far away from 20 MA. And this could be the last trade of the stream. I mean, I might just end the stream. Jeez Louise. Very slow, very choppy. Half day today, Pandas, don't forget. We're done at 1 p.m., right? Market close at 1 p.m. And tomorrow's a new day. We'll take the like this is the final trade. We'll take the final hit here, and whatever happens happens, and we'll tomorrow's a new day. No problem. No problem. And just like that, we're dead. Yeah, I had a very bad feeling about that trade. And that's that, pandas. I mean, I'm gonna jump on Sim. I don't want to lose any more here. I'm jumping on Sim. This is just a silly day trade. It really is. Now it's like I'm just gonna go long everything here on Sim. Why not? Pushing down. After stops me out, of course. We're jumping on Sim because this market is just completely unruly, almost impossible to trade. So I already lost my 3 trades. Like I mean my differential 1-4. So lost 3 trades over my wins. We call it that. Call it a day. Second entry short maybe for me here. The 5 minutes literally like up, down, up, down. With infinite money, pan, as I will show you, you could always make money. With infinite money, you can always make money. Just watch. I'm just gonna go long for the rest of the day. And no matter what, I'll at least come up break even. Also says, hi, what do you think about studying every single bar like Al Brooks? Do you think it's possible or better to take setup based on more candles? Yeah, I mean, the better you are analyzing each candle, then the better the better off you're gonna be. Marcus Vaughn says, I stayed out today. I'm looking. Inauguration means weird. Holiday trading, even if it's only a mental thing, I've lost too much money on holiday trading. Absolutely. Should have stayed away from a day like today. Whoo-wee. It doesn't be one of those trickly markets, the markets that just keep going up and up and up. And I said, all right, well, if it's going to reverse, let me try one reversal. And it burned me. It is what it is. Second entry short here. Come off of 20 MA. I mean, this market is so slow. Yeah, it's just taking so long for these candles to form. I mean, that's just... What did you expect on a day like today? So scalp every single bar as possible. Yeah, I mean, Al Brooks, he scalps like... He says he does like 20-some trades a day or something. He scalps like almost every... Or he like trades almost like every single bar. It's actually crazy. Okay, so I got your short triggers. Do I like it? I mean, you know me, I'm going long here. Takes me out. Creates a second entry short. It might be going the way I thought it was going to go. All along. Another OI pattern. Right, 5 minute. OI. Outside, inside. And that triggered the down move. And now OI pattern here again. Triggers the down move. Which is like, I guess what I wanted. I don't know. I think it's going to retest this level, right? This previous trading day's high, and also the previous week's high is right here. I'm better off just buying limit orders right now. How do you trade on a market like today? That is the question. Who's making money? Bears are making money. That was crazy, man. We were one tick away from coming out break even on that trade. Couldn't even do it. Like literally one tick away from coming out break even. We couldn't even retest this pivot low. Right, we couldn't retest this pivot low. Makes it look pretty bearish to me because of that. Pandas, my recommendation today is turn it off. Turn it all off. Turn off the charts. It's not worth it on a day like today. Just turn it all off. That's my recommendation. Goodness gracious. What is this nonsense here? Ugh. We're 1-4 today. I mean, it's just. I mean, look at this. Look at this market. Look at it. Look how long these candles are taking to form here. How much threshold do I have left? I have over 2,000 threshold. That should be fine. But, man, that sucks. That really sucks. My recommendation, Pan, is just turn it off today. Turn off the charts. Don't even look at the charts. That's my recommendation. Hope you guys are doing well, though. It's not possible to trade today. Simply not. Happens again. Right, I go short here, takes me out here. Micro double tops, pushes down to where I thought I was gonna push down to. I don't know. It's all good. I'm done. I'm done for today. It is what it is. This is unbearable, Panis. Literally, and I'm a bear. How could it be unbearable when I'm a bear? It's my nature. This market is unbearable. Can you imagine if we're trading the E-mini right now? Can you imagine if we're actually on the E-mini? Oh, wow. It does push down to where I thought it was going to go. It hasn't got there yet. It does push down pretty hard. Actually taps off the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Interesting place to bounce. Interesting place to bounce, you know what I mean? Right on cue on the 20 EMA. I was expecting to at least test this level. I thought this level will be, way more important than the 20 EMA, but I guess not. I don't know, Panis. I'm about to shut this off. I'm about to end this stream. This is just pointless. Actually pointless today. Pandas, I hope you guys are doing well. I mean, this is just, I don't know. I mean, if you're enjoying this market, then you are sadistic. Push down. Cool. It looks like it wants to test the level I thought I was going to test. Right. The reason why I entered the trade short here, so I thought I was going to test this level here, this blue dotted and dashed line. It's dashed and dotted because it's both the weekly and the previous day's trading day's high. They happen to be the same. I thought we're going to get down here. This one was short here, takes me out. And then decides to go where I thought it was going to go. Exactly where I thought it was going to go. Doesn't matter though. Doesn't matter if it does exactly what I thought it was going to do. I didn't execute it. So, what's the difference? There it is. Going exactly where I thought it was going to go. It just happens to take me out perfectly. I mean, it just everything that's happening today, right? Doesn't take me out break even by one tick. I go short here, it takes me out, just one push up, and then finally goes all the way where I thought I was gonna go. And that's just the name of the game today. I mean, it is a half day today. It's a holiday, and it's just like what did I expect? What did I expect? So, Pandas, with that, I think I gotta shut this off. This is like tilting watching this. Just slowly grinding on exactly where I thought I was going to go and first taking me out. Whoo! Tomorrow's a new day, Pandas. I'll tell you what, tomorrow's a new day. And I think it's better. Let's just, live to fight another day. I think tomorrow will be a new day. I think tomorrow we're going to make it all back plus more, Pandas. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Pandas? The funny thing about today and tomorrow is that it's the same day, same trading day. So I can make money tomorrow. Like I can go way positive, and it should count as one single day. It should, hopefully. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. This is unbearable. I think I'm gonna end this. Pandas, hope you guys had an amazing day. Hope you guys had a better day than me. And hey, happy MLK Day, Inauguration Day as well. I'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.